Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this lesson I want to show you how to use reference set management from the default user interface instead of using the application. Right, so sometimes we just need to use a default one because for some reason we can't install the external app or it's not working for any reason. So it's always good to have a backup option. So in order to do that, we have to go to the admin tab and select reference set management. And the main difference, other than the user interface, between this method of doing it and the external application is that from the default way, we can only create a reference set. We cannot create a reference table or a map. We can only create a reference set. So it's quite simple. You can just click on add, type the name of the reference set, the type of the reference set. You can also specify a time to live or select lives forever. And in here, you can choose whether to log each element in a separate log entry, bunch all of them into one entry, and do not log elements. So almost every single time I would choose the first option. There's no really any other reason to select the second or third one. So go ahead and search for our reference set. You can see it's here. Let's open it. And now we can, similarly to the application method, we can import from a CSV file. We can export the data, delete everything, and add. And so let's add some values, right? 1. And again, I'm using a comma as a separator character, right? So make sure to type that in right here. And if you click on add, see that all of them were added together in one single operation. So if you go ahead and close this, we can go back and, for example, delete the reference set, and Curator is going to perform some tests to see if this reference set is being used in another object. And when we find out that it isn't, we can safely delete it. And now it's gone. So just a quick video to show you guys the difference between the application and the default way of doing it. But most of the time, if you have the option to, I would recommend to use the application. It's just more intuitive, more comfortable. But again, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. So you can choose whatever works out best for you. So that's it for this video. And in the next video, we're going to see how we can combine reference sets and rules together. So I'll see you guys then.